Hello to all animal lovers. Welcome back to TailTales TV. Today we're diving into the colorful and noisy universe of one of the most iconic birds on the planet, the woodpecker. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep learning more about the animal world. Woodpeckers are true artists of nature, displaying a range of colors that enchant observers. Their plumage varies according to the species, but many exhibit vibrant combinations of red, black, white, and even shades of green and blue. The striking contrast between these colors not only makes them beautiful to human eyes, but also plays a crucial role in their communication and mating. For example, the red-headed woodpecker sports a bright red head and neck that strongly contrasts with its black and white body. The red-bellied woodpecker has a subtle touch of red on its belly, which can be hard to see from a distance. The imperial woodpecker, one of the largest species, displays predominantly black plumage with touches of white and an impressive red crest. The woodpecker is a bird that arouses curiosity and admiration for its unique characteristics. But first and foremost, the question arises, can woodpeckers be domesticated? What do you think? The answer is no. The woodpecker is a wild bird that needs freedom and a natural environment to thrive. Trying to domesticate it is not only difficult but can also be harmful to the bird. Woodpeckers are found almost all over the world, except in Australia, New Zealand, and Madagascar. Their natural habitat varies from dense forests to semi-open areas, including woods, parks, and even urban areas, as long as there are enough trees for them to make their nests and seek food. At what age did you discover that woodpeckers don't eat wood? Although it may seem like they are indulging in wood while pecking, they are actually in search of insects, larvae, and other small invertebrates that live under the bark of trees. Wood itself is not part of their diet. So why do woodpeckers peck wood? This behavior, known as drumming, has several purposes. Firstly, it is a way for woodpeckers to search for food. Their strong, pointed beaks are perfect tools for excavating wood and accessing hidden insects. Additionally, drumming serves to mark territory and communicate with other woodpeckers, especially during mating season. The sound produced by drumming can be heard from afar, and is a way for woodpeckers to announce their presence and attract partners. The woodpecker's skull is specially adapted to absorb the impact of this activity, protecting the brain from damage. Unlike many other birds, woodpeckers have 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, allowing them to grip tree trunks firmly. Their tails are also adapted to provide additional support while feeding in a vertical position. Speaking of feeding, woodpeckers have a varied diet. Although they are known to feed mainly on insects, especially beetle larvae found under tree bark, they also consume fruits, nuts, and seeds. Some have even developed a technique for drinking tree sap, like the yellow-bellied sapsucker. The woodpecker's tongue is long, sticky, and retractable, allowing them to capture insects inside tree trunks. In some species, the tongue can be up to 4 times longer than the beak and is coiled inside the skull when not in use. The reproduction of woodpeckers is another interesting aspect. They are known for excavating cavities in trees to make their nests. The female usually lays 2 to 5 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating and feeding the chicks. Do you see many woodpeckers around? There are over 200 species of woodpeckers worldwide. They vary in size, color, and behavior, from the small piculet to the imposing imperial woodpecker. Some species are found in abundance. Others, such as the ivory-billed woodpecker, Campephalus principalis, are considered critically endangered and possibly extinct, as there have been no confirmed sightings in recent decades. Another species facing risks is the imperial woodpecker, Campephalus imperialis, which is classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. But how does the real woodpecker compare to the famous cartoon character, Woody Woodpecker? Well, while the Woody Woodpecker of the cartoon is known for his antics and mischievous personality, real woodpeckers are more focused on their daily activities of searching for food and caring for their chicks. Moreover, Woody Woodpecker in the cartoon has bright red and blue coloring, which is quite exaggerated compared to the more subtle colors of real woodpeckers. So, folks, aren't woodpeckers fascinating? With a wide variety of behaviors and adaptations, they are unique in the animal kingdom. Although they cannot be domesticated, we can appreciate them in their natural habitat and learn a lot from these incredible creatures. Did you like the video? Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and also put in the comments if you've ever seen a woodpecker pecking something around. And don't forget, subscribe to TailTales TV and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our daily episodes, where we always have many fascinating stories and tips. See you next time here on TailTales TV, where every tale has a story.